DC-10, the jet built with deadly secrets. A wide-body airliner that promised a new era of aviation, but carried hidden engineering flaws that would shake the entire world. The DC-10 should have been a technological triumph. Instead, it became one of the most feared jets ever built. Before we go deeper into this story, if you want real aviation documentaries, true crash breakdowns, and stories the aviation industry tried to forget, make sure you follow Joeanio Aviation. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button so you never miss a new video, because what you're about to hear is a story the world must never forget. The DC-10 was created in a race for dominance. Airlines demanded a modern wide-body jet, and Douglas rushed to deliver one first. But in the speed to beat competitors, critical safety choices were ignored. Dangerous shortcuts slipped into the design, long before the first passenger ever stepped on board. Passengers admired the comfort and the advanced look. Pilots trusted the aircraft's modern systems. But hidden deep inside the airframe was a flaw that engineers quietly feared: the cargo door, a simple, outward-opening door that became one of the most disastrous design failures in aviation history. In 1972, that door blew open just after takeoff. Explosive decompression ripped through the cabin. The cabin floor tore upward, cutting hydraulic lines and nearly causing a crash. Investigators urgently warned the manufacturer,
"Fix this design now. Lives depend on it."
but the fix was rushed and incomplete, and the consequences were catastrophic. In 1974, Turkish Airlines Flight 981 departed Paris. As it climbed through 23,000 feet, the cargo door violently burst open. Rows of passengers were thrown from the aircraft. Control systems were destroyed. The jet plunged into a forest with no survivors. It became one of the deadliest crashes of the decade. But the DC-10 held another deadly secret beneath its wings. Airlines had adopted a shortcut to remove engines, to save time and money. The DC-10 was never designed for that method. It created tiny cracks in the engine pylon, cracks that couldn't be seen, but could rip a jet apart. On May 25, 1979, American Airlines Flight 191 began its takeoff roll in Chicago. Seconds after liftoff, the left engine tore off the wing. It ripped away wiring, hydraulics, and critical flight control systems. The aircraft rolled, stalled, and crashed in a fireball that became the deadliest aviation accident in United States history. The DC-10's reputation collapsed instantly. Fleets were grounded across the world. Passengers avoided the aircraft. Confidence was shattered. Even after redesigns and improvements, the DC-10 never escaped its past. Today, only a few still fly, as cargo aircraft and massive firefighting tankers. But even now, the aircraft shows clear signs of age. Hydraulic leaks, engine vibration warnings, spoiler malfunctions, brake overheating, and runway excursions during heavy firefighting missions. Not fatal, but constant reminders that the DC-10 carries scars from mistakes made decades ago. Its legacy is carved into the modern aviation system. Stricter engineering standards, stronger certification rules, better maintenance protocols, and safer aircraft for millions of passengers. The DC-10 is disappearing from the skies, but the deadly secrets it carried changed aviation forever and will never be forgotten.